Hello students, welcome back to SGC online chemistry classes. This is lecture number 4. This is lecture number 4 on the topic classification of elements and periodicity in properties. Well students, in the last video you all have come to know regarding the classification of elements on the basis of electronic configuration into S block elements, P block elements, D and F block elements, and some important characteristics of the elements of S, P, D and F block elements that we collected in the last video. So this is a recapitulation. There you will get 2 to 3 mark questions, and the question is of this type. What are S block elements? Write 3 of the characteristics of S block element. Similarly, it may with P block, D block, F block. Or one lengthy question you may get like explain the classification of elements in the modern periodic table. So there you have to briefly explain about classification, mentioning the electronic configuration of S, P, D and F, followed by the 2 important characters in each block. This is how the last classification is of weightage of minimum to maximum 3 marks in the examination. Well, in the today's class, let's collect how to write the IUPAC names. I mean nomenclature of elements with atomic number more than 100. That we shall collect in the today's class. Hope by the class conclude you will get familiarity to write the IUPAC names of the elements with the atomic number more than 100. So the title is nomenclature of elements with atomic number more than 100, with atomic number more than 100. Nomenclature of elements with atomic number more than 100. Well students, in the periodic table, the elements were named by the discoverers. In the periodic table, normally the elements were named by discoverers, and those names suggested by discoverers, they were as such accepted by the IUPAC or IUPAC system. But however, there arises a problem in naming the names of the elements with atomic number more than 100. To resolve this, IUPAC, which has set up a commission, CNIC, in the year 1994. CNIC means Commission on Nomenclature of Inorganic Chemistry. Commission on Nomenclature of Inorganic Chemistry. I repeat, when the names suggested by the discoverers as they were accepted by the IUPAC, but there arise a problem in naming the elements with atomic number more than 100, because different discoverers who laid their claims on the discovery of some of the elements with atomic number more than 100. Till 100 there is no issue. But some of the discoverers who claimed regarding the discovery of those elements with atomic number more than 100. To solve that problem, IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, the system, which has set up a commission in the year 1994 called CNIC, that is Commission on Nomenclature of Inorganic Chemistry. Commission on Nomenclature of Inorganic Chemistry has provided some guidelines. Based on the guidelines given by this commission, which was appointed by IUPAC, the IUPAC name of the elements with more than atomic number 100 were approved from 104 till 110. Let's collect how to write the names of elements with atomic number more than 100 as suggested by this commission. Come on. Writing IUPAC names. Writing IUPAC names of element. Writing IUPAC names of element. In writing the IUPAC name, IUPAC names of the elements with atomic more than 100, the Latin digits 0 to 9, Latin digits 0 to 9, they were put together. Latin digits 0 to 9 are put together in the order. They were put together in the order in which they appear in the atomic number of a particular element. I repeat, in naming the IUPAC names of element with more than atomic number more than 100, what has been done? Latin digits 0 to 9 are put together in the order in which they appear in the atomic number of a particular element, and Latin digits 0 to 9 were put together in the order in which they appear in the atomic number of a particular element. I repeat, in writing the IUPAC names, Latin digits 0 to 9 were put together in the order in which they appear in the atomic number of a particular element, and a suffix IUM and a suffix IUM is added at the end. A suffix IUM is added at the end. Simple. No more complexity. What idea suggested by this commission? Latin digits 0 to 9 were put together in the order in which they appear in the atomic number of a particular element, and finally a suffix IUM is added at the end. This is how the final IUPAC name were obtained or written. Now let's collect the digits, the name of the digit, and what abbreviations were supposed to be used in writing them orderly with respect to atomic number. Let's collect the table. The table gives us an idea what 0 stands, the name of 0 in the Latin, what it stands. The table will help us to get the idea. Let's collect the table now. This table, first digit, name of that digit, and finally what abbreviation is to be used. What abbreviation is to be used or written. This table is important, and remember, if you remember this table, that automatically help to write the IUPAC name of element with more than atomic number, any element with more than atomic number 100. First, digit 0, 0. The name of the digit 0 in the Latin language is nil, and the abbreviation is N, letter N. Digit next 1, it is un, name is un, and the abbreviation is U. 2, name of the digit 2 is by, abbreviation is B. 3, name of this digit in Latin language is tri, abbreviation is T. 4, name is quad, Q-U-A-D, quad, abbreviation Q. 5, pent, abbreviation P. 6, hex, abbreviation H. 7, here itself I will cover, sept, S-E-P-T, sept, abbreviation S. 8, oct, O-C-T, oct, abbreviation O. And lastly, 9th, digit 9, it is name is N, E-N-N, and abbreviation is, if you remember this table, you are able to write the IUPAC name of any of the element with atomic number more than 100. Let glance once again on the table collected just now. 0 to 9, Latin digits. These are Latin names of the digit 0 to 9. 0, nil, and the abbreviation is N. 1, name is An, abbreviation U. 2, by, abbreviation is B. 3 try, abbreviation or symbol is T. 4 quad, 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 symbol Q. 5 pent, symbol P. 6 hex, symbol H. 7 name sept, 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 symbol S. 8th digit 8, name oct, 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 symbol O. 9 digit 9, name N, ENN, N, symbol E, symbol E. So this table help to write the IUPAC names of elements with atomic number more than 1. In the next table, we'll try to write the IUPAC names of elements with atomic number more than 100. Let's collect the names in the next table. Come on. But you have to remember 0 nil, 1 un, 2 bi, 3 tri, 4 quad, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 sept, 8 oct, 9 n, and respective symbols. Let collect one more table of writing the IUPAC names of elements with atomic number more than 100 along with their official names. Up to element 111, the official names were given. Let's collect them in a table separately. First, atomic number. Atomic number. Atomic number. IUPAC names. IUPAC names. Official names given by the IUPAC system. Official names. Let's collect in a table manner. Atomic number first. Hundred and one. Above 100 is said, 101. How to write the IUPAC name? Let's say, beginning you may feel slight difficulty, but I'm sure the third onwards you yourself will say far better, far faster than me. IUPAC name. First, we have to write the R together. The Latin names of the digit were written together. 101 is the atomic number. The Latin name for the digit 1 is Un, capital letter Un. And then what is the Latin name of the digit 0? Nil. Plus nil. Plus again 1, Un. This is Un, first digit 1, Un, second digit 0, nil, third digit 1, Un. I repeat, the Latin digits were put together. The Latin digits were put together. The names of the Latin digits were put together in the order in which they appear. First one, next zero, next one, un, nil, un. They were put together in the order along and a suffix at the end. What is the suffix? Just now said IUM, and a suffix IUM is added at the end after the completion of the Latin digits un, nil, un. 3 completed. After arranging the Latin digits in the order in which they appear in the atomic number of the particular element, finally the suffix IUM is added, and hence the IUPAC name of this element with atomic number 101 is un, nil, un, yum. Un, nil, un, IUM. That is what, and the symbol is U, N, U. And the official name of this element given by IUPAC system is Mendelevium with symbol MD. You can check in the modern periodic table. Second, how to write the IUPAC name of the element with atomic number 102? Let's see. 102. Yes. What is the name of the digit or name of the digit 1? 102. 1. Un plus nil. Digit 2. Latin name of the digit 2 is by plus, and the suffix after arranging them in the order, suffix it is compulsion, IUM, and the name is joined together un, nil, byum. Symbol UNB. And the official name of this one is Nebolium. N-O. Nebolium. Next, atomic number 103. Again follow the rule. Un, nil, tri, and the suffix IUM. Name is un, nil, trium. Symbol UNT. And the official name is Lawrencium, symbol LR. 104. Follow the rule. Un, nil, 4. Quad, 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 plus IUM. Un, nil, quadium. Symbol UNQ. And the official name of this element with atomic number 104 in the modern periodic table is Rutherfordium. symbol RF. Next, element with atomic number 105, we shall collect up to 118. Quickly, let glance. Un, nil, pent plus IUM plus IUM. This is un, nil, pentium. Un, nil, pentium. Symbol un, nil, P, UNP. And the official name is dubnium. Dubnium. Symbol DB. Next, element with atomic number 106, un, nil, hex. Latin name of the digit 6 is hex plus suffix IUM gives un, nil, hexium. Un, nil, hexium. UNH. Official name of this element is seaborgium. Seaborgium. Seaborgium with symbol SG. SG. Element with atomic number 107. How to write the name, IUPAC name? See, you will be asked a question in the examination regarding write the IUPAC name of element with atomic number 107, 118, 112. Any of the element will be asked. Then remember the idea of the names of the digit, Latin digits 0 to 9. Put them in the order and add the suffix IUM. Thus you will get the IUPAC name along with symbol. You can write 107 un, nil plus hept plus IUM. This is un, nil, heptium. Symbol UNH. Sorry, little correction. What is the name of the digit with 7? It is a sept, not hept. Sept. Little correction. Greek letter I have written. What is the name of the digit 7 in the Latin? It is a sept. Sept. So, un, nil, septium. Un, nil, septium. Un, nil, septium. It is UNS. And the official name of element with 107 is borium. BH. 108, atomic number 108. Come on, go ahead. Un, nil, oct plus IUM. IUPAC name is un, nil, octium. Un, nil, octium. UNO. And the official name of this element is hafnium. With symbol HS. 109, atomic number. Un, nil, 9. The Latin name of the digit 9, N plus IUM. that is un nil NEM symbol UNE, and the official name of this element 109 meitnerium with symbol MT, 110, apply yourself. 110 digit un 1 un 0 nil plus IUM un nil IUM symbol UN. Official name of this Dharma Stadium with symbol DS. 111 come on, try this. Un plus un IUM. Interesting to read this. 111 Latin name un plus IUM. You can write un IUM symbol U symbol U, and the official name of this one is Rontgenium, RONTZNIUM, Rontgenium with symbol RG. So you can have official names given by IUPAC system till 111, till the element with the atomic number 111. So let glance with highlights. So here this table where we have written the IUPAC names of the elements with atomic number more than 100. So 101 1 un plus nil plus un 101 un plus nil plus 1 un plus nil plus un, and the suffix IUM. This is common for all the atomic numbers. Suffix is common. So un nil unium. So this is UNU. Official name Mendelevium symbol MD. Next, I just go on up to so and so. 105. What is the method applied? First digit 1 un, 0 nil, third digit 5 pent plus IUM. So un nil pentium symbol UNP, and the official name of element with atomic number 105 is dubnium with symbol DB. Similarly 110 and 11, let glance. 110 110 un plus nil plus suffix IUM un nil IUM UUN. Official name of this element is Dharma Stadium symbol DS. Last element I written in congested place. Let's understand. That's why I am repeating. 111 un plus un plus un. 3 digits in the order 111. Un plus un plus un plus ium. This is unium. U. Official name of this element is Rontazanium with symbol Rg. Then this element onwards, the element up to 111 official names we have given by the IUPAC system, but the study is still continuing in getting the official names of elements after atomic number after 111. Now let's collect still more IUPAC name. Let's practice of writing the few more IUPAC names with atomic number 111 above. Let's see. Glance on this. Let's write the atomic number, 111 over 12 till 18. 112, 3, 4, 115, 116, 117, 118. Let's collect the names. Here itself we will modify. So what is the IUPAC name for the element 112? It is un. Here also second digit is 1. So un. 2 means by. 2 means what? By. Suffix ium. Come on. 112. Un plus by plus ium. It is un by ium. Symbol UB. And for this element with atomic number 112, no official names were declared or given by IUPAC system. Dash. No official name yet. No official name. 113 you can change over here. So what is that? Un is common. Un is common in all the cases. Let me take. Well, 113. First element un, second un, 3 tri plus ium. So what is the IUPAC name? Un trium. Symbol U, capital UUT. No official name. Put a dash. 114. Un plus quad. QUAD quad plus ium. Next, quadium. Symbol UQ. Official name not yet. 115. Pent plus ium. This is unpentium. Symbol UP. Next 116. Quick. Hope you have got a familiarity in writing them fast. 6 means what? Hex. IUM, name unhexium, symbol UH. 117 un plus un. 7 sept plus IUM, that gives unseptium. UUS. Last 118 un plus 8 oct plus IUM. This is capital letter, first letter octium, symbol UO. Well, students, in the today's video, you all have come to know about the writing of IUPAC names of elements with atomic number more than 100. Again I repeat, till 111, till the atomic number 111, the official names were given by the IUPAC system. 111 onwards, yet the official names are to be given. Yet they have not given. It is still under studies. 118, as you know, 118 un plus oct. The digits in the order in which they appear in the atomic number written, plus suffix IUM is added at the end. Therefore, IUPAC name of element with atomic number 118 is octium, symbol UUO. This is what regarding writing of IUPAC names of elements with atomic number more than 100. Well, with this, after the classification of element into S, P, D and F, we have come to know regarding writing of IUPAC names of element with atomic number more than 100. So before we conclude about the modern periodic table, as the elements were divided into S, P, D and F block, when you look into the periodic table further, the elements in that 4 blocks were divided into metals, non-metals and metalloids. Let's take a brief view on the further classification. Already classification of element into S, P, D and F, that's over. Even in that also, even in the blocks of the periodic table, the total elements which were further divided into metals, they were divided into metals. Usually they were placed at the left, in the middle, left of the periodic table and middle of the periodic table, metals and non-metals and third semi-metals or metalloids. Even they are called semi-metals, in some text given as semi-metals. Metals, non-metals, semi-metals. Let's collect a few of the important properties of a metal. When you come to know regarding a metallic property, almost the metals are hard. They were hard in their nature. They were hard. Physically, they were hard and rigid in properties. Next, they shine in the presence of light. They shine when the clean surface of a or clear surface of any of the metal that shine in presence of light, and the metals are going to be electropositive. They are electropositive. They have tendency to give the electron electropositive, and they form with the oxygen. The metals, when they react, they form basic oxides. They form basic oxides with oxygen. They form basic oxides, and they do form next, they are a good conductor of electricity, good conductor of, they are good conductor of heat as well as electricity, heat and electricity, good conductor of, they are good conductors, I can write, they are good conductors. Metals, almost all metals are good conductors of heat as well as electricity. On glancing into the non-metal character, non-metals which are placed at the left of the periodic table, mainly into a P block, and almost all the non-metals, they are soft in nature. They are soft in nature. Next, when you take next regarding, they do not shine. They are electronegative. They are electronegative in nature. They are electronegative. Doesn't mean hard, with some exception, soft with some exception. Next, they form acidic oxides with oxygen. Acidic oxides. They form acidic oxides. And they are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Bad conductor of heat as well as electricity. Bad conductors. The important properties. Coming to the metalloids, semi-metals. See what metalloids are. These are the elements. These are the elements which shows the properties of metals as well as non-metals. The element showing the properties of metal as well as non-metals are called metalloids. They are also called semi-metals. You can have an example of most of them are placed in the P block element, which is a silicon is a metalloid, germanium, arsenic, it is an arsenic, tellurium, etc. These are the metalloids which shows the properties of metals as well as non-metals. Well, students, before I conclude today's class, in the today's class we all have come to know regarding writing of IUPAC names of element with more than atomic number 100, and further classification of elements in the modern periodic table into a metal, non-metal and a metalloid. Well, and as compared to Mendeleev's periodic table, when you take the modern periodic table, what all the demerits, what we noticed in the maximum of the demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table were solved, they were explained in the modern periodic table. In spite with those kind of modification also, it also suffers with some of the demerits, such as placement of lanthanides and actinides separately at the bottom of the table, which is the major drawback of the modern periodic table. Actually, they were belonging to 6th period and 7th period. Instead of placing them in the periodic table, they were placed separately into a 2 series of 14 elements. 2 series, each series contained 14 elements as lanthanides and into actinides. That was the drawback of a modern periodic table, yet it is unresolved. With this, I conclude today's class. Before I conclude, in the next video, we will go to collect how to locate the position of an element in the periodic table. I mean, if a electronic configuration is given, how to identify the period of that element and the group of that element, including to which block it belongs, those position of element in the periodic table. There are some guidelines given by the IUPAC system. Let's collect in the next class. Thank you.